In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of obtaining a real estate broker's license in the state of Indiana. Whether you are looking to make a change or looking to open your own brokerage, becoming a broker can be a rewarding and fulfilling process. So let's get started. The licensing process is fairly simple. Just follow these 4 steps. 1. You must have your broker's license in Indiana for at least 2 years. 2. You will need to complete a 24-hour managing broker course. 3. Once you have completed your eligibility requirements steps 1 and 2, it is time to register your brokerage with the Secretary of State. 4. Once you have satisfied all requirements, you will fill out an application and send it into the Indiana Real Estate Commission. And that's it. In order to get a real estate broker's license in the state, you must complete a 24-hour broker management course. Perry Real Estate College offers this course 100% online, available 24/7, completed at your leisure. Once you've satisfied the eligibility requirements and registered with the Secretary of State, it is time to fill out an application, submit any required documentation, and pay any fees. You can find the application and more information on the Indiana Real Estate Commission's website. So, that's a quick overview of how to get a real estate managing broker's license in Indiana. It's a process that requires some determination and hard work, but the rewards can be well worth it. If you have any further questions or need additional information, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more real estate-related content.